Alright guys, today we got this Honda Accord here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this light here. And it's gonna be a very simple procedure. What we're gonna need is two tools only. A flathead screwdriver or a tool such as this, a fork or a knife would do too. And a Phillips head screwdriver. You simply take this little guy and you wanna pull this just like that, up and outward, and this cover will come off. It's very easy to break these little guys, so if you break these guys, it's garbage. Well, unless you want to glue it on. But we got two number 8s in here. Pay attention. Number 8 or Phillips head screwdriver, whatever you prefer, whatever you have. But Phillips head screwdrivers is the way to go. Simple and easy. Two of these guys, and guess what? Your whole assembly light is loose. And what you want to do is, you just want to grab this guy and you want to pull it a little bit back and outward, and it comes right out. So you do have these little guys that go straight in that direction. So back here, if you want to change this whole light, this is the LED light, but you do have one bulb here, which is a reverse bulb. So a reverse bulb looks something like that. So make sure your hands is nice and clean. You don't want no grease on it. So it's a single flare bulb. It only goes one direction. You can only put it one way. If we try to put it the other way, it won't fit. So if you need to replace that, you can replace that. Make sure you clean your hands, because the greasing will destroy everything. So very simple. You line the two these little Sharpie things right here, whatever they're called, into the little holes there, and you simply just tap it on. Make sure your light sits properly. Now is a little tricky part after this. You put the two screws in. Make sure they line first of all. So if your light is off, they won't line. So let's see why they do not line. Okay, our light is off a bit. Okay, it's a little bit high. There you go. There you go. Perfectly. So you're gonna have to move it around a bit. And you capture the two screws. 1, 2, and what you want to do next is make sure this is nice and clean. You see this little guy, the way it goes? You have this little guy right here, so you want to stick that right over here in the bottom, and that's going to guide everything into the spot. And after that, you need to push. See where my fingers are? Right there, and that's it. Shouldn't come off. And bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. And it's the same procedure for this side. It's the same thing for the Honda Accord 17 and above. I'm sorry, 18 and above. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It's the same thing. Thank you for watching, guys.